Hey guys, it's Marty and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be doing my very first monthly breakdown. Um, I just wanted to say real quick that as I was doing the breakdown, y'all, I felt like I left some numbers out, or I don't know, something didn't add up right. So hopefully we can fix that problem once we get through it. I am new in a budget community. I'm so happy to be here and also to be sharing this journey with you all. So the monthly income that I receive is the total amount is 4,964. Now let me tell you, this number here is not a number that I normally would have a month. I normally get the $300 from my daughter monthly. I am currently receiving unemployment, and that's $416 a week. Also, I do receive money from my side hustle. My side hustle, I'm probably going to make about $500 this month. Normally, I make way more, but I don't want to like over budget. I rather under budget than over. So it's about $500. Um, Extra money, that is the child tax credit. I do have 4 kids. I actually have 5 kids, but my oldest daughter, she's old enough to receive well, to do her own taxes, so she's not qualified for the child tax credit. Um, I did include this number into my income for the month because I received a letter stating that we're supposed to get it. So I'm kind of like crossing my fingers, y'all, hoping that everything works out and I receive that, since I went ahead on and added it into the income for the month. Also, I'm supposed to be receiving another additional 1,500 in extra. I'm sorry, in money that was owed to me. So hopefully, I receive that as promised, and I don't end up over budgeting by adding these two numbers right here. So I took everything and I added up, and I got the total of $4,964. Um, then I went ahead on and just did my monthly expenses. Rent for me is $22. I pay $22 because I'm on a program that helps me pay the majority of my rent. My light bill, 100 to sometimes 200. So hopefully, I didn't receive it yet. So hopefully it's about $100. My water bill is 113. Phone bill 164. DMV, that is, I'm sure everybody know what DMV is. I owed a ticket back a while back, and I had a flag on my driver's license. So they set up like a payment plan, so where I was able to like pay them in like installments. So that is my monthly total that I need to pay, and I'm probably, I think it was like almost $2,000 I owed. Y'all, I know it's a lot, but um, I've been paying on it for a while, so I think I'm down to like, I want to say about mm, a little bit under 800. So I'm definitely can't wait to pay that. The bill is $100. I named it bill because it's something personal, so I didn't want to like put it out there. So I just put bill and put $100 just because I still needed to make sure I added into the expenses, and also I wanted y'all to be able to see like some real numbers. So instead of me like putting a name, I just put bill. Um, my internet is normally always $40. The car insurance 87, and Netflix I pay $18. Disney Plus I pay $8. Amazon Prime $11, and I do pay tithes and offerings, y'all. Yeah, I pay for this month total. I know it's gonna be a little bit more than 339, but that's how much I kind of like estimated it to be. Offering is 68, and the total for that one was 1,183. So my remaining balance is 3,781. Okay. So for my cash envelopes, gas is going to be getting $300 this month. And household is going to be getting $100 this month. Car maintenance is going to be getting 10. Spending, I left without anything. Eat out, family time, I left those three without. I left those three empty because we do have a family vacation toward the end of the month. Well, at the end of the month, and I didn't want to have anything to put in spending because I'm trying my best not to spend, y'all. I have challenges also this month. Eat out, we are not worrying about eating out at all. And family time won't be getting anything only because we have a family vacation that's coming up. So those are the three envelopes that won't be getting stuff this month. Well, at least spending as of now won't be getting stuff. I don't know if it could change, but for sure eating out and family time won't be getting stuff. Giving will be getting $10. Help will be getting $25. The total amount for that is $445. The remaining balance is $3,336. Moving on to the sinking funds. The monthly allowance for Kay, which is my oldest daughter, and she really don't have an allowance like that. I just call it an allowance because I still like to take out a few dollars for her just in case she calls and be like, oh mom, you know, do you have this or do you have that? I want to make sure I be able to give her something and don't have to worry about taking it out of her savings. So yeah, so she'll be getting $25 this month. Kwana, which is my second daughter, she'll be getting $50 this month. Kima will be getting $50. Nenny will be getting $25. And y'all, these are their nicknames. If you guys are interested what their real names are, just comment down below. Jahi's getting $25. And PJ, y'all, that is my nephew slash godchild. He's only 3, but I do give him $2 a week. Just, you know, maybe he want McDonald's or just to buy him like snowballs or anything. I'll make sure that I have some money that I can just, you know, have for the spend on him. So yeah, so he gets $10 a month. My sister Coco, which is Courtney, right now she needs help, so I give her $93 a month until a certain time, and yeah, so she gets $93 a month. Self-care gets $50. Y'all, excuse me, my throat really hurts, so my yeah, my throat hurts, so it feels like it's scratching, so my words are not really coming out as clear, and you can kind of hear the way I'm talking. Yeah, so self-care is going to be getting $50. Beauty is going to be getting $100. Shopping won't be getting anything as of now. I'm still debating whether or not if I want to add something to shopping, because the money that we leaving to go on vacation with, it should be a lot of money left over for us to, you know, shop and do a lot of other things while we're on vacation. So I'm gonna think about that one. Braces and veneers. The braces are for my twins, y'all, and I do have twins. The twins are Nene and Ja, a boy, girl. If I get a second, I will leave their picture up so y'all can see. But they are 14 now. I'm saving up for braces for them. My daughter, she really needs it. My son, I'm not 100% sure if he needs some or not. They have an appointment to see the orthodontics on the 15th this month, so hopefully I'll get, you know, to know whether or not if he need it. And if not, that's gonna save me money, and I can have more money go to my veneers, because y'all, like, I do not want braces. I really want veneers. Like, I just think they're so, like, they're just cute. Like, they just pearly whites, and I don't know. I just feel like I want that. Driving school, I do have my 2 girls, which is 17 and 16. They're ready to start driving, y'all. Like, they already have the basics down pat, and they just ready to you know, they're ready to get their permit and license. So I'm saving up for them. They do have an appointment coming up in August, you know, to start their first driving school. So I want to make sure I have that add money to that, and so that they can have everything that they need when it's time. Back to school, I put $20 in back to school. I will be adding like a lot more, but just for now, I'm just gonna go ahead on and just put $20. Side hustle, I'm gonna add $100 because, like I said, it is for my little side hustle. I do need different things. Vacation would be getting 1,500. That's added to whatever I have. I'm sorry, that's added to the total that I do have as in a bank account for vacation. And y'all, we going to Florida for vacation. What else we have? Birthdays and gift won't be getting anything. Miscellaneous holidays won't be getting anything this month. We don't have birthdays, so I just decided like they don't need to be, nothing added to those. The support, the support envelope that I have is for small business. Also, YouTube is going to be getting $10. That's gonna be the first time that I'm stuffing YouTube, y'all. But because I started making videos, I want to make sure that I start putting money in there to buy more equipment or anything that's related to YouTube. And technology won't be getting anything. Okay, y'all, let's go down to personal savings. This is another sinking funds right here, y'all. It's just personal savings. That's what I call it. This is a second savings challenge that I decided to start outside of the savings account that my kids already have. I wanted to do this one just to yeah, just to see how much more money I can save, So these everyone here from Kay, Kwana, Kima, Ninja, my parents, myself, my husband, his nickname is Twin, so we call him Twin. Everybody's going by the nickname, y'all. Like, what is going on? But I kind of stuffed $25. Well, I try, and I have been doing good so far, stuffing $25 every week into everybody envelope, except for my parents. I only stuff $10 a week for my parents, only because that's all I can afford at the moment, just because I have a lot of other things that's going on. Okay, what else? I have emergency 1 and emergency 2. I'm going to be adding $25 to the both of those. Emergency 1 is a emergency envelope that I started for me and my household family, I'm sorry. And the second emergency envelope I started for my family, like in case something comes up, they may not have money saved up because everybody doesn't know about this system, y'all. Like, they don't know to save. Everybody, they've been in the boat that we've been in before we started this journey. So I just want to make sure that I try to have, I start saving something, and if something do happens, and they'll have a backup plan. Home and car won't be getting anything. Christmas won't be getting anything. Anniversary won't be getting anything. I did start a savings challenge, y'all. It's a 30-day. It's $500 for $500 30 days challenge that I decided to do, and I'm gonna show y'all that real quick, y'all. So I came up with this challenge. I want to say I think like the end of June or the last week of June. I guess it's the same. I came up with this challenge, and I just wanted to do something a little bit different. I don't know, just to see if I'm able to, accomplish this. Just trying to add some more challenges to what I'm already doing. And the other challenges that I'm doing besides trying to do the $25 a week challenge for this personal savings, outside of that, I'm also doing the $1 saving challenge, and also the $5 saving challenge. But yeah, so this is a challenge that I came up with. Again, my kids also participated in this challenge, y'all. I don't know how I came up with this. I just started playing around, and then I end up, creating this calendar, and I came up with a little quote and everything, y'all. you have the freedom, liberty, and power to save. Right now, I already got $45 into this challenge. Is why I colored in the flags where I'm at. So yeah, so I got some days down, y'all. Today is the 7th, and yeah, I'm already at the 9th. So I'm doing good, boo. Yeah, my little challenge. Okay, but back to the monthly budget. So after the savings challenge, this money here is not, this money went over between this and the $100. I'll explain this in a minute. Okay, the total for the sinking funds from this category, I'm sorry y'all, was $2,288 with remaining of $1,048. I forgot to give y'all that total when I was up here. I'm kind of confusing myself. So with the personal savings, sinking funds, Robinhood was one of the other ones that I won't be putting anything into. The total for this one would be $975. The remaining amount is $482. I'm sorry, the remaining amount is negative $482. The reason why I have this negative, y'all, is because I didn't add the saving challenge, and I didn't add the $100 paying toward my debt into my budget, y'all. And I know, like I stated in the beginning of the video, all this is still new to me, and I did see where I had some my numbers were off. I'm trying to fix this, see how this is gonna go. I'm just gonna trust that, you know, that I'm gonna make more money, because that is one of my goals, to make more money for my side hustle, and hopefully I can be able to, you know, correct these numbers. But yeah, so now that we completed the monthly budget breakdown, we're gonna move on to our calendar. So this is what I did. This is how I came up with it. I already went ahead and added everything, y'all. I added the bills. I didn't highlight them only because on this one I didn't use highlighter, so the markers kind of like went through the back, as y'all can see. I'm sorry, I'm all over the place. They went through the back, so I didn't want to mess up the you know, my calendar by using that. So I went to the side and I just used the highlighters for the bills versus the cash envelopes and sinking funds, just to let me know like the difference. But yeah, so I went ahead and put the different my different expenses, you know, that I have to pay and on what day throughout the month. And also I went ahead and put like the paydays, and I get the unemployment every Wednesday, so I went ahead and just put payday. On the first of every month is why I have the little dollar sign. That's my daughter gives me $300. Also I put my little holiday because that was the 4th. Oh, and I also marked vacation because we are leaving on the 25th and we're supposed to return on the 28th. And I just put these cute little cards right here, y'all, because we will be driving to Florida, so I just thought the little cards were cute just to add right there the days, instead of using the vacation to put on every other day. So yeah, so this is pretty much yeah, what I came up with. That is it, and I just wanted to share that with you all. This, like I said, this is my first monthly budget breakdown. I hope everything was clear, and you know, hope everybody was able to understand everything. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.